Hey guys, welcome to our channel. We're here at STAGA. Today we'll be doing an instructional video on our Supercharger cover. Alright, so the first step to install our Supercharger, we're going to go ahead and take our panel popper and remove this hose here. Go ahead, pop it off. Just loosen that, get that out the way here. Alright guys, one of the things I would do here is put a towel here just in case the screw happens to fall for whatever reason. So you take your T27, you're going to go ahead and loosen the bolt or the screw. Go ahead, pop that off. And then with your panel popper, you go ahead and pry this off, but be gentle because of the O-ring and you don't want to break the map sensor here. So just give it a little bit of a snug. I mean, if you don't have one of these, go ahead and use a flathead screwdriver. Once you pop this off, go ahead and just get that out the way. All right, so once we get the map sensor off, we're gonna go ahead and take these two screws off in the front using our T27. Then we're gonna grab our Supercharger cover, and just so you guys know, we do use a sheet of Cool-It Thermotech just to keep the radiating heat off the blower cover. And just to get some dissipating heat off the Supercharger, just want you guys to know that there is clearance between the blower and the Supercharger cover. And then we're gonna go ahead and grab our map sensor, pop it back in place, make sure your O-ring's not ripped. Should fit in there nice and snug. And then use your T27 and your screw, go ahead and screw that back in. Then you're gonna grab your two longer bolts, and then you're gonna go ahead, make sure that it's well aligned. Go ahead, drop those in. Perfect, and then you're gonna go ahead and tighten those. All right, so for one of the last steps here, we're gonna go ahead and grab the hose and pop that back in place. Detailing supplies. Give it a little shine. Alright guys, so that's a wrap for today. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe to our channel. Also, make sure you check us out at www.stagausa.com and join our email list.